Hello and welcome to a new episode of the CTO Show with Mehmet. Today, we are going to discuss how companies are being forced to adapt technology to stay ahead of the curve, how healthcare businesses can prepare for transformation, and some AI tools that can help save hours of work. The first topic we are going to be discussing today is the increasing pressure on companies to disrupt through technology. According to an article from the World Economic Forum, we are currently in the midst of a paradigm shift where companies that don't adapt to the new technologies risk being left behind. The main focus in this article is about how to utilize digital transformation to build new business models. In the same article, it's highlighted that this is a top priority for CEOs across multiple companies. The second topic today is the transformation of the healthcare industry. Health data is scattered and the focus is on the patient experience. In a Fast Company article, the author discusses how healthcare businesses can build human centricity. There are several ways that healthcare businesses can improve the patient experience, including the use of data, technology, and analysis in real time to get what we call the patient experience. Remember, the crown jewel for all this transformation, like any other vertical, is of course data. The final topic I want to share with you today is a very good article I found about some cool AI tools that can help in saving hours of work. The website has like 13 tools, and each tool, there's a description of what are the main functions that it can help you with. Thank you. It was a short episode today, but I'm always happy to get your feedback and I'm always happy to be in touch with you. If you want to suggest a feedback about this episode or you want to suggest a topic, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you very much and see you in the next episode.